All right, and here we go for Avoz. This is going to be 2007-2008 Upper Deck Artifacts Basketball. Avoz, good luck. Let's get to breaking. If you'd like to get a box broken live here on Breakers TV, we're here every Monday through Friday breaking your boxes live. Still citycollectibles.com/breakroom is the place to go. Just click the live breaks on demand banner. Get to see all the live break eligible products. Find the one you want. Click the break this live for me button. We'll get it broken live for you here on Breakers TV. All right, we'll do the Artifacts Exclusives topper first. Tyrus Thomas, Kobe Bryant, and we got a Kevin Durant. It's a nice hit there on the Durant Artifacts Exclusive. Legendary Legacies Clyde Drexler. That one is 703 of 999. Got a dual jersey Sam Cassell and Baron Davis 85 of 150. Got the Artifact Rookie Legacies Stefan Lasme. That one is 247 of 1299. Yeah, we just break stuff up, make it easier for the upload on the videos there. Make it so the YouTube folks don't have to sit through 15 minutes of me shuffling. Divisional jersey Brandon Roy. It's 82 of 100. Got a Jameer Nelson Gold 87 of 100. Legendary Legacies Oscar Robertson 3 of 100. Cool card right there. Legendary Legacies John Havlicek 462 of 999. And we've got a sweet Chris Paul divisional patch. That one's going to be numbered 20 of 29. We'll get that one sleeved up for you here. Avoz, cool hit on the CP3. Sweet patch right there. Got the Rookie Legacies Greg Oden 47 of 699. And final pack here for you. Hey Voz, good luck to you. And it will be the D. Brown autograph for the Utah Jazz. So hey Voz, appreciate you breaking live with us here on Breakers TV. We'll get that out to you soon.